Hi friends, good morning everyone. How are you guys?
Yeah, good morning. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Sir.
Good morning, guys. I am fine, guys. Thank you. Thanks for asking. Yeah. I'm very happy to say that yesterday most of you guys sent me the assignment, guys. 10 locators, whatever I asked for. Thank you so much. So please continue same way. Whatever I'm asking, try to do it. Okay. And whenever you are struggling, also send a mail to me. Yesterday, I think Lakshmi Deepa sent it to me like she could not able to find the search field. So just we need to click on Control F to get that after inspecting. Okay, so that way we will continue. So yeah. Okay. Not you, madam. Who sent it that then? Okay. Okay, fine. So similar way, Srikanth, did you get the access for Java recordings and all? I have seen some mail from you.
Yeah, I got. Yeah, I got.
You got it, right? Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So please try to go through the recordings, guys. This weekend is very, very valuable.
But yesterday's video, I'm unable to open that.
When
Start
you tried that?
Yeah, I tried, but
No, when you tried, at what time?
On 7:30 or 6:30.
Morning?
Yeah. No, evening.
Oh, okay. No, sometimes and all, see, it is going to take some time to play that. Can you try today and let me know?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. Yeah, I think Santoshi sent it to me yesterday. Okay, fine. It is working, right, Santoshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect.
Sir, yesterday recording video is not played.
Yeah, that is what Srikanth also saying. So please try that. Try to play it and let me know.
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So one request from my end is we should not give up anything. Okay. Challenges always will come. Okay. So we have to face the challenges, guys. Then only you will learn something. If you are feeling like difficulty in each and everything, then you could not go ahead in your career. Please set your mind like, I am going to learn automation perfectly. Please set it out. Somebody will understand to practice one time. Somebody may need to practice 2-3 times. Somebody maybe 4-5 times. Please set your mind. You are going as a automation tester into the company. That's it. No alternatives for us. Okay. No alternatives for us. So we have to get into the company as a automation tester. That's it. That is the final thing. For that, whatever I'm explaining, please follow. If you feel any difficulty and all, try to go through the recording 1-2 times. And still you are not understanding, let me know. Automation is very easy. Very easy. Little coding is required. That is the reason I'm asking you to please complete all the pending Java recordings by this weekend. That is the assignment for you. And come up with your questions to me. Total, I think I uploaded 11-12 videos are there in the Java recordings. I yet to upload a few more. Okay. So please try to complete. I think hardly 2-3 hours videos will be there so far. Please try to complete all those recordings on the Java side and let me know, come up with your questions and all. That is the assignment for this weekend. Just you need to understand, because from Monday onwards, I'm going to start with writing simple programs and all. Okay, writing simple programs, we are going to do it. Okay, so that is the reason I'm asking you to go through, complete all the, so far, whatever the recordings I uploaded, and come up with your questions to me. Okay, guys, we should not give up. That is the suggestion I can give it to you. We should not give up anything. If you are giving up, you cannot continue in your career. Whatever the reason it is, we should not give up. That's it. You are giving up, then your career is stopped there only. Sometimes even in our life also, sometimes we may face some challenges. We have to face it. We should not ignore them. Even in automation also, you may face some challenges or difficulties, but you have to resolve them by yourself or take my help and try to do it. So finally, what I can say is we should not give up. Okay, so we should not give up the things. Automation tester, as I told you, you can demand anything to the company. Whatever you want, you can demand to the company. But manual tester, it is not at all possible. So that is the reason, try to learn these 30-35 sessions. It is going to take automation testing, Selenium. These 35 sessions are very much enough for you guys. Even you can crack the interview also by using our sessions, and even you can able to survive also inside of a company. So that is the reason, guys. Please focus more and more practice is required. All the assignments, try to complete it and all. Okay, that way only you will become expertized. Okay, but I'm not going to compromise anything with the quality and all. Okay, quality wise, we are not going to compromise anything. So please follow the things, and wherever you are stuck, please let me know so that we will see. Okay, perfect, guys. So yesterday I asked you to write the some locators on our application, right? Our banking application, I asked you to write. Okay, perfect. So let me open our application. Some fields, let me try to write. Let me share my screen. Okay, this is our application. Okay, you might have written the locators for this, but still, I will also show you one more time. I want to identify this admin login. Okay, what is admin login is there, guys? See here, admin login is there. It is not a link, but admin login is there. How we can identify, guys? Which one I need to use here? Guys, which one I need to use here? Text.
Content.
Text, I told you, right? Text. We need to use the text. So /, tag name is B, text equal to admin login. That's it. It is identifying successfully. Please carefully understand. It is identifying or not? It is identifying successfully. So like this way, you can write the locator. Okay. Similarly, I want to identify this username. Okay, sign into start session is there. I want to identify. How you can do that? See here, text is there, but class is also there, but I don't know. This class we can use. Let me try it. /p @class equal to. Okay, it is identifying successfully. You can use class also. Okay, fine. Let me share you at the end of the session all these things to you. Fine. Fine. Next, which one, guys? I want to write for username. How you can write it, guys? Username. I want to write for username. Username, this is the field. What is there? Name is there. And type text is there. Form control is there. Guys, one thing you need to remember. If ID will be there, first priority is ID. If ID is not there, then next priority will be name. Okay. If name is also not there, then you can go with either text or class. Okay, these all you can use. If any of the attributes are not unique, then finally you can go with XPath. Okay. Yeah. But XPath and CSS also some syntaxes I told you, right? Yeah. Today, let me discuss on few more syntaxes and all. From Monday onwards, we will enter into the little coding part and all. Guys, one more question. Can you able to configure Eclipse and Java in your machines?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I did not get JDK when I installed Java. But when I tried in command prompt, it is showing the version. I have only JRE folder in Java, sir. Is it okay?
No, you need to install JDK, not JRE. You need to set the JDK path in environment variables, not the JRE.
Yeah. Yeah, but I did not get JDK folder when install only.
Okay. Can you try today? Because you need to download the JDK installer, not the JRE.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I will try it again.
Yeah, please install it, and you need to set the JDK path in environment variables. Okay. And also try to download the Eclipse also into your machine. Okay.
Eclipse is launched already. Eclipse are downloaded and it is launched successfully.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Then it is no issues. And okay, it is fine.
Okay.
Eclipse is launching means Java is set successfully in your machine. Otherwise, Eclipse will give you an error to you if something problem will be there. If you are able to open Eclipse, then it means that it is configured successfully. Guys, reminding all also, please follow the recordings 1 and 2 for the Java installation and the Eclipse. So Monday onwards, we're going to write small programs and trying to understand the concepts. Okay, fine, guys. So next, see this part, guys. What I'm saying, this username field. See here, name is there. How we can identify name? Name, what is the input, right? / input @name equal to name attribute value. Okay, it is identifying successfully. Similarly, password also you can see here, guys. Password also I want to identify. Okay, let me copy here for your reference. Next, password also I want to identify. How you can identify the password, guys? Here also name is there. Okay, name is there. You can identify by using password. That's it. Okay, you can identify by using password. All these syntaxes I want to write with CSS also. Let me give you some knowledge on CSS. All these syntaxes are few more syntaxes. Let me write. This go to website button is there. Go to website button. See here, this one what we can call, guys, this one what we can call? It is a what?
Link text.
Link text, correct. So I want to write by using this link text. I want to write by using link text. How we can write, guys? So a text equal to this link text we can give. See, it is identifying successfully with the link text. Fine. Okay, it is identifying successfully. Same sign in is there. So try to identify. This is the sign in. Type submit and class is there. Here also I want to use the what is the class name, guys? Button. Class name is button and text equal to this way. This way you can write the okay. Okay, perfect. All these syntaxes we have written with what? XPath syntaxes. Same syntaxes I want to write with what? Same syntaxes I want to write with CSS also. Okay, please carefully understand here CSS syntaxes. Very few are there. You can see here. Okay, so tag name @attribute equal to attribute value. Tag name @attribute equal to attribute name equal to attribute value. Okay, like this way you can give. So only the difference here, XPath and CS is what, guys?
No @
There is no
There
And
is
no
no
double
@
also.
no double slash also.
Mm.
No
Okay,
double slash.
yeah, perfect. Okay, if you want to identify using ID, the syntax is you can take tag name and hash ID. Okay, or you want to identify with tag name, okay, ID. You want to identify with ID, Then the syntax is you can take the tag name and hash ID, or you want to identify with class name, tag name dot class name you can use. Okay, so these are all the few syntaxes. You can start practicing all these. Okay, you can start practicing all these, guys. Fine. But in how many of you remember absolute XPath and relative XPath, guys? What is absolute XPath and what is relative XPath?
Absolute is parent child.
Yeah, absolute XPath means
For
yeah.
single
Total path from the starting of the page.
Yeah, absolute XPath means you have to start from root tag HTML. You have to start from root tag HTML to until your tag. What is that? What is the drawback here? When something is changed in the middle of the hierarchy, then it is not going to work. So that is the reason we came for relative XPath. Here directly we are using double slash and you are targeting directly the particular element. Okay, so that is the use of the relative XPath and all. So some syntaxes we have seen, or most of the syntaxes we have seen till this point. And yeah, till this point starts with also, I hope, completed, right? And contents is also completed. Next, some more syntaxes are there, parent and child, I will tell you. But before going to that, okay, CSS syntaxes you need to understand. See, these are all the syntaxes with starts with what we need to give, guys. Name, this symbol we need to give. N and contains this symbol you need to give. Ends with dollar you have to give. Okay. In CSS, whereas what is double slash and single slash in XPath, guys? Single slash means it is a direct child. Double slash means either direct or indirect child. Similarly, in CSS also, we have this arrow will be there. I told you, right, yesterday, this arrow will be there. It means direct child. If at all you are giving space, it means that it is a direct or indirect child. Okay. So it means single slash in CSS is what? This arrow. Double slash in XPath is equivalent to space in CSS. Okay. Guys, everybody clear about this point? Guys, perfect. Okay. So let me try to write some more syntaxes with CSS also. Okay. CSS also is, but what is the difference between XPath and CSS is XPath, I told you one syntax, you remember or not? This syntax I told you yesterday. You can do reverse traversing also. That syntaxes I told you, right? Reverse traversing. Dot slash I told you or not?
Yes, sir, it told us.
Why in this list I did not mention? Okay, fine. So even reverse traversing is possible with XPath, but which is not possible with CSS. But CSS is a little faster when compared to XPath. Okay, that is only the differences. Perfect. So let me take into this some more CSS syntaxes. What are the syntaxes you have written here? All these syntaxes I want to write. I want to write with all the what are the syntaxes you have written. The first one, text we don't have in CSS. Okay, we have text in, we don't have text in CSS. Okay, we don't have text in CSS, guys. So in CSS, we don't have any text and all. See here, you can observe carefully. Any of the syntaxes I have not provided text. You want to identify the text and all, then there is no way with CSS. Okay, fine. Remaining syntaxes you can see. For example, this class is there. How we can identify this one? What is the equivalent CSS syntax? Can you tell me? So
Braces.
so
Braces.
when class is there, you need to use
class is equals to
no. Class means I told you this syntax.
yeah
Tag
tag
name
name
dot
p dot
yeah tag name p dot class. So
class
p dot just you can provide.
login.
Yeah, that's it. So this is how you can give. That's it. It is going to identify carefully and try to run it and see. See, it is identifying successfully. Okay. Same. If ID will be there, guys, then this is the syntax. Tag name as yes ID you need to provide. Okay, fine. This syntax, guys, in CSS, how we can take? Guys, in CSS.
P dot name is equal to username.
No.
P
No.
braces.
No, see, this is syntax where here P is there for you.
Input name equal
Oh,
to
input
username.
name is equal to
Remove the
username. Yeah.
Yeah, so just we need to remove the
At the rate.
That's it. Nothing much. Okay. So here also just to remove the at the rate. These are all the CSS syntaxes. Just to remove the at the rate. That's it. Okay. Here text we don't have. Later we will see about that, how we can identify. So if text is not there, then we need to look into the other options and all. Fine. See, for example, these are all two inputs are there here. I want to identify. Carefully understand here, guys. So this how many inputs are there? Two inputs are there. Okay. Is reverse traversing is possible here, guys? No, we don't have any reverse traversing and all, but you need to go ahead with this class. Let me take a class only. Okay. Div class, let me take. How many elements you are getting? See here. Div class. So div dot this class name I am providing. Okay, 1 and 2 are there. Okay, 1 and 2 are there, for example. So I need input. Input also 2 are there, but nth child of this syntax I'm talking about, guys. Nth child of I want 1. Input, okay. Input y nth child of 1 means again it is giving 2. Nth child of 1. Nth child of means what, guys? Where you have seen index here, right? In the X path you have seen index. You remember? See, we have used index. Similar way in CSS. So we need to use the indexing here. Nth child of 2. Similar way here also we need to use. So div dot input group, because input group is a what, guys? What is input group? It is a class name. So input nth child of 1 I am giving. But why it is giving 2 fields here? Let me give nth child of 2. It is not identifying. So div input group MB3. It is having inputs. How many inputs are there? 2 inputs are there. In these 2 inputs, I want to use what? In these 2 inputs, I want to use nth child of 1. So somewhere it is going wrong. That's fine. So somewhere it is going wrong. Okay. So or else you can identify this way also. See, again, normal way you can identify if at all you want. See, name equal to, again, you can write your username. You can write like this way. It will identify 1 of 1. Okay, this syntax. Try to understand here. What syntax I have written here. Carefully understand what syntax in CSS I have written. So what you are understanding, this is the tag name and this is the class. So dot you have used. If it is ID, what we need to use, guys? If it is ID, what we need to use? Hash we need to use. Okay, this is the class name. We have used dot and the input you want to identify under this. Here I have given space. It means what? Direct or indirect? Guys, here I have given space. In CSS, space means what? In CSS, space means what?
Maybe direct or indirect.
What? In CSS, space means what, guys?
Direct or indirect child.
Yeah, it is the direct or indirect child. Okay, fine. Okay, like this way you can identify, and later we will see yet some more example. Let me take Mercury Tours demo. This is also some simple application. That is the reason I am referring this. I want to identify nth child, why it is not working there. Let me try on this and we'll see. Okay, so you want to identify nth child. See, for example, what is the parent of this? TR is one parent. Okay, this TR is one parent, this TR is another parent. Okay, now fine. First, here input username is there. How we can identify, guys? Name is there. How we can identify? Input name equal to username. That is how you can give it. Fine. So here these two are fine, but these two are not in same level. Because I want to show you just like you can observe here carefully. Here also fine. Okay, so nth child later even we can see that later also. But finally, these all syntaxes are fine for you or not? And I yet to cover few more syntaxes. I will do that. Okay, this one you can practice it, guys, and let me know. Starts with, contains, ends with in CSS. Okay, this one also in XPath also just parent and child, few more are there. Okay, this parent and child and all, these are all in the coming sessions. Let me discuss on it. Okay, these are all the advanced stuff in the XPath. So we will see later. This stuff, whenever it is required, I'm going to tell you. Okay, till this point we are done. So fine. Okay, this is how we can write the locators, guys. Okay, this is how we are going to write what, guys? Locators. This is how we are going to write the locators. Now, let me tell you the flow what we are going to use. See, locators part you are done. Next part is we need some IDE. Okay, we need some IDE. IDE, okay, is nothing but where you are going to write your scripts. Okay, where you are going to write your code. Where you are going to write your code. That is nothing but, yeah. Here, so IDE. IDE, we are going to learn. IDE is Eclipse, guys. Eclipse, we are going to learn. Okay, we're going to write our code into Eclipse because we're writing code in Java. So Java supported Eclipse, we need to take because Eclipse supports different languages and all. Okay, that is the reason. Please be ready with your machine. In your mission, please be ready with all the things, like all the things in the sense. Please be ready with Eclipse configuration in your mission and all. Yeah, so then only it is possible for us. Okay, Eclipse configuration, try to do it in your machine. Perfect. Try to install the Java in your machine and set the environment variables I have given clearly in those videos. Please follow them and try to complete all the videos whatever I shared with you. So, and coming to the, we need to link our Selenium. We need to link what, guys? We need to link Selenium is an API, application programming interface. It means it is library. It is what, guys? Library. This library you need to link. Okay, this library you need to link to your ID. This library you need to link to your ID. So you need to download this Selenium. Okay, you need to download this Selenium and link with your what? you need to download the Selenium and you need to link with your IDE. Okay, you need to download the Selenium and link with your what? IDE. So once you link your Selenium with IDE, then all the Selenium features, whatever the features are there, all these features you can able to write. How to play with different controls, how to play with okay, different options in your application and all these things. Okay, your IDE will support for us to perform all these actions and all. Okay, to perform all these actions and all, your IDE will support for us. Perfect. So what we need to do, guys, you need to download in Java. Most of the times library is in the format of a .jar. Okay, library is in the form of what? .jar. Java archive. Jar means Java archive. So this jar file, what we need to do, guys, this jar file we need to map to your IDE. This jar file you need to map to your IDE. Then your IDE will support you to perform all the Selenium is mainly used for what, guys? To perform the actions on your application, like enter the username, enter the password, click on button, or selecting the item from the drop down, all these things. So that is the reason, guys, this weekend is very crucial for you guys. At least first 10 videos you have to complete it on before Monday session. First 10 videos. See, each video contains 10 to 15 minutes. 10 videos means very simple, 2-3 hours. That's it. So please try to complete those videos before Monday session. Those are very, very essential for us to understand the stuff on Selenium side. Okay. And again, I'm telling you guys, you should not give up. You want to successfully go in your career, you have to learn Selenium. No other way. We have to work hard for this 1 month or 40 days. We are going to work hard like anything. We are going to learn Selenium 100%. Whatever I'm teaching, those things are very, very enough for you guys. Please follow me for this 40 days and you are going to become expertized on the automation side. If you know automation, you can demand anything to the company. As I told you again and again, manual tester cannot demand anything because anybody can do it. As an automation tester, you can demand to the company. Okay, you can demand to the company. So that is the reason, guys, please concentrate more and more in the automation side. Manual, already we discussed in a very efficient manner and all. So now we are going to learn, okay? Now we are going to learn what? Automation testing. Selenium part. Another 30-35 sessions it is going to take. So many things we're going to learn. We're going to learn GitHub, Jenkins, Selenium Grid, and API automation, and we're going to learn BDD frameworks, database connections, different things. Okay, guys, I shared you the videos for JIRA and SQL. How many of you gone through it? Santoshi, Maunika.
Yes, sir. I did, sir.
Yes, sir, I feel.
But I
Santoshi,
need that.
no, for the they are continuing from the manual Srikanth. So in the same folder it will be there. I think you guys also can able to see. Okay, so these people, Monica, Santoshi, and these all people are continuing from the manual testing. So that is the reason I'm asking them. So if at all you want those videos and all, you can check with our team. They will help you on it. Okay. Fine. Did you guys able to understand these things, guys? JIRA and SQL part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect.
SQL
Right? SQL is?
SQL is understanding, sir, but I don't go through the JIRA, sir.
No, please go through the JIRA also. Those are also very, very important for us. So even Srikanth, you need those videos and that, please check with our team. They will provide you the access.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Guys, it is my training will be a full meals, guys. Okay. Whatever how much you want, you can eat it. No problem. How much you want to learn, you can learn from me and grow in your career. Okay. In the future, if at all you want to support me and all, then just support my charitable trust which I am having, which I used to provide support from my end to our people. You can also involve in that in going forward and all. Okay, because I like to do more and more charity. Okay, so these things later we will discuss about it, but that's fine. Okay, so what we are discussing, guys? So in Java, library means what, guys? Java library means which is in the form of a jar file. Even Selenium also in the form of a what, guys? Jar file. So you need to link this jar file to your IDE, then IDE will start supporting your working with the Selenium and all. That's it. Okay. So library is in the form of a jar file, Java archive. So that is the reason. So these jar files you need to link with your Eclipse, which is IDE. Then you can start writing your scripts and all. Okay. Fine, guys. So this is how we are going to work with the Selenium and all. Monday, our target would be we're going to add this jar file to the Eclipse. Okay. We will take a new project and we will try to add all these things to the Eclipse, all the jars and all. Then we will see how to work with, how to enter the data into text field, how to click on a button, all these operations and all, we will try to do it. Okay. Perfect, guys. So yeah,
install Selenium today, sir, or Monday you will tell that?
Selenium, no install, nothing, madam. Just Eclipse configuration is done. Then, as I told you, which is a jar file. Selenium is a jar file. Just you need to link this jar file with your Eclipse. That's it.
Okay.
So for Selenium, explicitly, you don't need to install anything. But you need Eclipse in your machine. That already you guys are doing, correct?
Okay, yes, sir.
Yeah. For Selenium, we don't need to, which is a library. Selenium is more of a library, which is a jar file. That's it. Just you need to link this jar file with your Eclipse and continue with your scripts and all. That's it. Okay. Fine. So Monday onwards, slowly we will enter into the coding part and all, guys. So again and again, I'm telling, don't give up. And assignment for you guys is go through the first 10 videos on this weekend and let me know your questions and all. You can always send a mail to me. We will discuss on Monday's session. Okay. So another 30-35 sessions it is going to take, guys. So please follow and let me know wherever you are stucking and all. So these, you need to promise me these 35 sessions, we are going to work hard. We are going to complete all the assignments. We're going to come up with all your questions and all. All these things we are going to do. That promise I need from you guys. Okay. Guys, are you okay with that promise?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Or any doubts you are having? You all are going
Sir,
to promise
regarding
me,
this-
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. Yes, madam.
Regarding this banking project, sir, any FRS document is there?
It is a sample application, madam. We don't have any FRS document and all.
Okay.
Yeah. Based on the application, you can write some test cases and all, madam. At least at the end of this batch and all, I will try to prepare one SRS document. We'll see. But for now, yeah, we don't have any document, madam.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, that's all for today's session, guys. So Monday onwards, we will enter into the little coding part and all. Okay. So try to complete first 10 videos. That promise I need from you. So, and then come up with your questions to me, guys. I recorded the Java videos very clearly. Even layman can understand very easily. I hope you guys are very easily understand all those things. Okay. Perfect, guys. Any other questions, anything before we're going to top it off? Any questions, anything, guys?
Sir, will you teach us integration testing also, by any chance?
Integration testing is more of a what, guys? Combining the modules and we are verifying the integration flows, right? We're going to verify from one module something has happened. In other module, So what is happening over there? That type of testing is nothing but integration. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, even you can take any application. So one module, login module is integrated with the home page. So once you logged in successfully, it needs to display you the home page only. So it means login and home page both are connected. So yeah,
Okay.
my point is, yeah, in the real time and all, yes, I told you decision table, you remember?
Yes, sir.
So in the decision table, easily you can understand what test cases we can derive for the integration and the regression and all. So that is how you're going to derive the test cases. So coming to the automation side and all, not only the integration, not only regression, you think what are all the test cases are, what are all the test cases we are selected for the regression testing? Those all test cases we are going to automate. Okay. But we will take those test cases from the manual team and we will automate all those test cases. If you think some test cases require to execute multiple times in the future releases, those all test cases we will automate in the future releases and all, just we need to execute those scripts and we are going to verify. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Clear, madam?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, guys, then see you on Monday. Happy weekend. But the weekend assignment part is what, guys? Another 10 locators, you need to send it to me on the same banking application. Yesterday you sent only 10. I need another 10 locators on our application. Along with that, you need to complete first 10 videos and let me know all your questions and all. Okay. Right, guys. Then thank you so much. See you on Monday.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.